Immerse yourself in the serene recitation of Surah Ad Duha, and let its peaceful message fill your heart. Surah Ad Duha is the 93rd chapter of the Holy Quran. It was revealed in Makkah and consists of 11 verses. This surah is a gentle reminder of Allah's constant presence and His unwavering support for us even in challenging times. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, by the morning brightness, and by the night when it covers with darkness, your Lord has not taken leave of you, O Muhammad, nor has He detested you, and the hereafter is better for you than the first life, and your Lord is going to give you, and you will be satisfied. Did He not find you an orphan and give you refuge? And He found you lost and guided you, and He found you poor and made you self-sufficient. So as for the orphan, do not oppress him, and as for the petitioner, do not repel him. But as for the favor of your Lord, report it. This surah reminds us of the immense blessings and mercy that Allah bestows upon us. It encourages us to remain grateful and patient, knowing that Allah's wisdom and plan are always for our ultimate benefit. Thank you for joining us in this peaceful moment of reflection. May the words of Surah Ad Duha bring you comfort and peace. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.